Remember, kids who are experiencing trauma, which we have a great amount of trauma going on right now. It's one of the highest raising anxiety, PTSD, reactive attachment disorder. Trauma is really hitting the charts with our kids. We know that 1 in 8 kids in the United States has experienced some form of trauma, whether it be witness of, next door, happened to them, family, whatever it is. 1 in 8. That means everybody goes into school next week with a kid in their classroom who's probably experienced trauma. And oftentimes, trauma plays out looking like ADHD, because your brain can't focus on things and can't weed out distractions when you're living trauma. And trauma's not a memory, folks. It rewinds all day. It's not like, oh, that reminds me of that. No, it's happening with you all the time. So we've got to get more knowledge on that. We've got to get our staff more knowledge on that to understand it. It doesn't excuse kids from tasks that they should be able to do, but we've got to settle that down. We want our kids who are experiencing trauma to come in the door and be able to leave that at the door and feel okay for 5.5 or 6 hours. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.